Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a divider in your text documents on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. Let me head over to that example text document here on Goodnotes. And I would like to place a divider, let's say somewhere here between that table. And let me skip to the next line and here add an example paragraph or text or something like this. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one, you click into the given line or paragraph line and use the shortcut or command slash and then divider from that list below. Now that's going to add a divider like this. Now if you hover a mouse over it, you will see the mouse changing its appearance to that cursor here, so that you may move the divider, or you if you click off, it will change its appearance to this. So that's one way. Option number two would be to use the dashed line, for example. If you press the underline or dash button on your keyboard 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it will automatically convert these 3 dashed lines into a full divider like this. So that's the two options, guys, users have here on Goodnotes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.